What if the moon crashed into Earth? The moon has been Earth's companion for billions of years, controlling tides, stabilizing our planet's tilt, and lighting up the night sky. But what if this silent partner suddenly went rogue and crashed into Earth? The outcome would be nothing short of catastrophic, rewriting the fate of our planet in a single cosmic event. First, the moon wouldn't simply fall straight down. Its orbit would start to decay, slowly spiraling closer and closer to Earth. As it approached, its gravity would wreak havoc. Tides would become massive walls of water, flooding coastlines daily. Earth's crust would begin to quake under the strain, triggering mega-earthquakes and volcanic eruptions around the globe. Life on Earth would already be collapsing long before impact. As the moon got closer, the night sky would become terrifying. Instead of a distant glowing disk, the moon would loom larger and larger, filling the sky. Within days of its final approach, it would dominate the horizon, appearing thousands of times brighter than the sun. The gravitational pull would tear apart cities, oceans, and maybe even pull apart Earth's outer crust before the collision. The final impact would release unimaginable energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs exploding at once. The moon would slam into Earth, vaporizing itself and a huge chunk of our planet. Debris would fly into space, possibly forming a new ring around Earth or even coalescing into new moons. But Earth itself would never be the same. Its surface would be scorched, its atmosphere filled with fire and ash, and most life would be instantly wiped out. In the aftermath, Earth might not survive at all. The collision could shatter the planet entirely, leaving only fragments orbiting the sun where Earth once was. Or, if the planet held together, it would become a molten wasteland, slowly cooling over millions of years. Either way, humanity wouldn't stand a chance. The moon may look calm and peaceful in the night sky, but if it ever crashed into Earth, it would be the end of our world.